Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today guys we'll show you how to reset the service B on W203 Mercedes. Stay with us guys, we're gonna show you how to do that now. It's a little bit complicated, but I'll try to walk you through the whole procedure. Okay, let's get the camera in. Close the door so you can see better, hopefully. Okay, and you can see ours. Oh my goodness, let me get a little light. Alright, that's too much. Okay, right here when you go. Okay, it says service B in 4 days. Okay guys, what we will need to do now, you need to get the key. After you get the key, put it in, turn to position 1 guys. Okay, position 1 right here, don't start the car. Airbag light will stay on for a little bit. You need to select the mileage now. If you're not on the mileage, press those buttons. Okay, until you go to the mileage, like that. Now, very fast, press this button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Battery voltage will be displayed 11.6. Next you need to turn the key to second position. Okay, like that. And what you will need to do next, you need to go with those until the service display. Okay, this right here. Okay, you can see service right here, B in 4 days, is displayed. And what we need to do, we need to press button 1. Okay, like that. That's the quality of oil and oil type that we used. All that stuff you can find if you use different oil and stuff. So what we are going to do now, you can change it with plus and minus. Okay, if you need to. We are not, we'll just set it like that. And next what we will need to do, next you need to press this button here. You says confirm, press reset for 3 seconds. This one here, we holding it. Okay, like that. Okay, service confirmed. So now, if you go guys, you can go ahead, actually turn the car off now. Okay, the ignition off, pull the key, put it in. Okay, we're going to go ahead, turn the key to second position. And let's see now, if you go here, okay, service B in 13,000 miles. So that fixed our problem guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Let's grow that channel together guys. Thank you for your support. Let's help more people. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.